Nagamit ko na naman yung English natin mga kalogs. I-English prank ko sana si Ma'am eh. Kaya lang ako na English prank eh. Lumabas na naman yung mga tinatago kong mga kalogs eh. 44 lang yon mga kalogs. Binigyan ako ni Ma'am na. Alright mga kalogs, so we got our next booking na. Mukhang foreigner to, bes. Dito lang rin sa Fabula Building. 44 pesos, malapit lang. Eka. Putama na natin mga kalog. So ang drop off nito is dito lang rin sa Makati, Abida Tower. Hello po, Africa. Yeah. You want okay na po yan. There you go. Alright, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, it's
It's
so exciting.
so exciting.
Yeah, before I need to go out. Just to go.
Okay. Wait.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I never saw that.
Which one?
No, the thing you did in your helmet. It's like the communication.
Yeah, that's what
New.
it's new. Yeah. That's what you call intercom, moto intercom.
Okay, moto intercom.
Yep.
Okay, so we call it intercom.
Yes, it's a jobber intercom. It's an international intercom. Usually
Communicate with the.
yes, because also I'm vlogging. Would it be okay if I yeah. You need not to shout this time. It's a jobber motocom. It's an international helmet intercom, motorcycle intercom. Hey, hi. That's your sister?
Yeah.
What a beautiful Brazilian. Thank you.
Your province.
I'm from Palawan. Have you been there?
I want to know I've been in Siargao. I have been in Boracay.
Okay.
But not Palawan.
Yeah, you must go there. It's really beautiful place.
Boracay.
Yes.
In Puerto Galera, I want to go in a place that we can ride a boat to go there. It's Puerto Galera.
Oh yeah.
Eh?
Yeah, I haven't been there, but when you go to Palawan, all you have to do is to book a ticket, and then from here, from Manila, there's yeah.
Palawan, you go by train.
Yeah.
One Puerto, I don't know if it's Puerto Galera or Princesa. You go by boat, not train.
There's a boat from here to Palawan. There's a boat. Yeah, but it took
So long.
it took 24 hours, 22 to 24.
The
Yeah.
ticket, for example, for what? Like 2, 3, 5,000?
Probably there 2 to 3.
Okay.
Yeah. So you're here now already? All right. Thank you so much, Mom.
Thank you.
I had fun.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Me too, I had fun. Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much. It was a short and fun ride.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Ay. Wow, thank you, Ma'am. God bless. Thank you. Nagamit ko na naman yung English natin mga kalogs. I-English prank ko sana si Ma'am eh. Kaya lang ako na English prank eh. Lumabas na naman yung mga tinatago kong mga kalogs eh. 44 lang yon mga kalogs. Binigyan ako ni Ma'am ng 100 pesos. Panalo, di ba? Sinasabi ko mga kalogs, kaya ayoko ng yung napapasaya yung customer. Anyways, ang dami mong chore ba? Okay, so let's look for another booking mga kalogs. Good evening, sir. So, pwede po dito lumabas? Sir, doon pa. Ay, wait lang, sir. Nagtanong lang ako, sir. Saan po ang labas nito? Ayala. Dito rin po, ganun din naman, no? Pa Manila. Okay. Sige. Dito na lang ako, no, sir. Thank you, sir.